Welcome everyone to the Sewing Room Declutter Challenge 2026. I'm Karen Brown of Just Get It Done Quilts, and together we are going to be clearing out the unwelcome, the unwanted, and the no longer necessary to make space for a year full of creativity, clarity, and joy. So we're a little over halfway through this challenge, and today is going to be slightly different. This is a hotspot day or a free day. But even on a free day, I recommend you using your timer. Set it for 30 minutes or 60 minutes because it gives you a gentle container for whatever you choose to do today. And when the timer goes off, you can either be done or choose to continue. There's no guilt, no pressure. So today is designed to be a catch-up day, or as we used to call it in school, free time. You can use it to catch up on a category that you missed, repeat a challenge that needs more time. You can choose another category to declutter, or simply rest. You know what you need today. Today you might be feeling a bit tired. Decluttering fatigue is real, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. Remember, we are not aiming for perfection. We are decluttering 30 minutes at a time, and that might take you a couple of extra weeks, a couple of extra months, or even the entire year. And that's okay, because slow and steady always wins. And if today you need a pause, take it. And if you do have the energy, today is a great day to tackle another hotspot, a small area that quietly collects clutter. Now, for me, I thought I was going to do my beads today, but honestly, I am feeling tired. So I'm going to sit here with my bullet journal and my planner and just take a little bit of time to reflect on what I've done, take a look at that brain dump and see what I need to do with it, then reevaluate. I have two spaces that I really would like to declutter. One is my beads and the other is the top of my dresser. It just stresses me out every morning when I look at it. It's just a dump. But I'll see how I'm feeling later in the day. If I have to take the whole day to rest, I'll take the whole day to rest. And when I say rest, that might be a slow sewing day. It might be a couple of hours at my sewing machine. It may be taking a walk with my dog and my friends, or sitting and reading a book, because that all counts too. Remember, decluttering isn't about just removing things. It's about making space to live and create. And today is the day that you start taking advantage of all your hard work so far. So now it's your time to share. How did you use your free day? Did you catch up, rest, declutter a hotspot, or just enjoy sewing? Please share online and with photos with this year's hashtags. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow for the start of week number 3 and day 15.